Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
After a lot of complaints that have been received and people have been sending a lot of Google Maps and a lot of damage of mangroves that's taking place along the bypass, we see a lot of people are dumping a lot of waste and also the free flow of the water that actually comes as a result of which the mangroves, which is a protected species, is getting totally destroyed. I have given strict instructions to the Forest Department that we will take strict action against the people who are trying to dump, and a lot of people are coming in throwing debris and other things as a result of which the natural mangroves and protected species, which is here, all of us know, people who understand what is the importance of mangroves in the overall ecosystem, is being damaged. Strict instructions have been given to the PCCF and APCCF and also the DCF North that action to be taken, necessary notices to be sent to the respective departments whose land this belongs to. This comes under, I'm told it comes under the Kamaldars land, but definitely they need to also be alert and bring it to the knowledge of the Forest Department as to what needs to be done. But we are going to be very strict. We are not going to be allowed land filling, especially in the mangrove area, and strict action will be taken by the government. I assure the people who have sent representation and complaints to me that we are on it and we shall take whatever steps required, and also the PWD, because this free flow where the water, actually the channel has got absolutely blocked, needs to be totally opened up. So we are taking necessary actions and moving forward.